So now we're up to pack number 3. This box break of Topps Museum Collection. So far all the cards have been white. They're nice. Good pictures. And we have 2 autos so far from this box. One's a Redemption and one's a Mark Trumbo. Angels. I'm a Dodger fan, so don't see what I do with that one. Base of Don Mattingly in a New York uniform. He's now the coach for the Dodgers. A Stan Musial base. Clayton Kershaw base. It's a nice card. And a jumbo swatch of Ryan Howard. It's number 10 of 10. And a Cliff Lee base, number 56 of 299. Okay, one more pack to go. So come back. Pack number 4.